Hi guys, it's your girl Slay LT and I'm back for another video. And today it's gonna be a quick video today. It's like early in the morning. I'm just getting up. I still have my my old man voice, I call it. Um and actually I've been coughing all morning for some reason. I don't know what the heck is going on. Anyway, um the reason I'm doing this video this morning is because I wanted to show you guys a new wig that I'm thinking about introducing to my wig line. And if you guys haven't already done so, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notifications so you can get notifications as to when I post videos. Share the videos with your friends and all that good stuff. Today is actually, what is today? Today's the 19th of January. Um, you're probably going to see me with this same shirt on with my shorts that I do. My 1-minute shorts. But I wanted to go ahead and get this video in right quick. And I'm going to keep it under 5 minutes. It's not going to be anything long at all. I just wanted to do this wig open and reveal. Let's see how it looks, because this is one of those companies from Alibaba that and it came with a wig cap and the wig. It actually stuffed in the mailbox. But this is one of those wigs I was like, it could be one of those wigs that you kind of, it's kind of one of those ugly wigs that you can make cute. You know, sometimes you get those wigs and you're like, what am I going to do with this? But it's a curly wig. I don't know if you guys can see that. And you know what? Actually, this was supposed to be a 99J, but it's all good. It's natural. It is a sample, so I'm kind of glad that they did send it in a natural type color first, because I don't know how a 99J would have looked on me. But I'm still not 100% satisfied because it's not what I asked for. So the wig isn't bad at all. It does have that curly texture. So once I get it on my wig and I'm sorry, on my mannequin and everything. And let me just do this right quick, because when I tell y'all I haven't had time to do anything this morning, I was so anxious to open this because last night it was so cold. I left it in the mailbox and I was like, I'm gonna grab it in the morning. I did not feel like walking to my mailbox. I was looking for my lip, my Vaseline for my lip. Y'all, I really need to clean up my office today. My office is a mess. I've just been trying to get everything organized for the New Year's, trying to get my jewelry and everything, the pictures and everything for my jewelry. I've been trying to get those taken so I can get them out on the website. I'm going to have a link below if you guys want to order from my jewelry line, Charmani Co. It's the name of my company, but the jewelry line is called Charmani. I don't know where I did with my what I did with my lip gloss, and it's usually right here. I'm almost willing to bet, and it's not lip gloss, it's actually Vaseline that I have for my lips. I'm willing to bet my son probably took it, because for some reason everything that I have he always wants to take. But I'm gonna look for it in a second. Y'all just gonna have to get me with the ashy lips. But yeah, so this is the wig. I'm all over the place and I do apologize. This is the wig, and it's not bad. Like I said, once I get it on a mannequin and kind of like spruce it up, you know, add my little touch to it. But it looks like it's actually very well made. So these are gonna be the short wigs that has like that jerry curl look. And as you can see, it doesn't have a lace front. But what my intentions are when I put it on, I'm going to cut the front just a little bit to kind of give it like a little baby hair in the front. So it's going to be really, really cute once it's done. And again, I'm kind of pleased with this because it's not one of those looks where, you know, sometimes you get those synthetic hair and it just looks like it's gonna ravel at any point. It's not shedding, which is good. So it's kind of to my liking. I definitely like the wig. And again, I'm not 100% satisfied because it was supposed to be a 99J, which I think would have been actually cute as well. but it's cool that it's natural. I'm gonna go ahead and play with it probably this weekend and see how it looks. I'm gonna take these out of my hair because I had them in for like 2 weeks. And as you guys know, I'm also doing hair journey. I'm trying to get my hair to grow more in 2022, and it's been growing. Like the products that I'm using, I literally only had this in for 2 weeks. I do have some dandruff still. You guys might have heard me complain about that in some of my videos, but the neem oil that I'm using, this is actually one of the neem oils that I'm using. I do have another neem oil that I'm going to produce in a few weeks. I'm going to show you guys in a few weeks, because that one is actually the one that I'm thinking that's really the culprit as to my hair growth and getting rid of dandruff. But I've gotten a lot of new growth since 2 weeks ago, so I'm really pleased. My edges are growing back. I have eczema real bad. I've also spoke about in some of my videos. But yeah, I mean, so far I believe that the products that I'm using is definitely helping my hair grow. One thing I do need to do is drink more water. My skin, I do need to get it back on track. Having eczema, you do have to drink, you have to keep yourself hydrated, and you do have to use lots and lots of like butters, natural butters on your skin in order for it to not flake up real bad. Because when I tell you my skin can get horrible, my skin gets horrible. But I don't know, guys, for some reason this morning I've been feeling like I'm a little under the weather. This morning I was coughing real bad in my bed, and then it felt like I was about to regurgitate, like throw up. And I still have that, I don't know, that feeling like in the pit of my stomach. It feels like, and just me talking about it now, it's like, I feel like I'm about to throw up. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get off here for the day. Like I said, this video is very short. And I'm just going to try to get myself together, maybe drink some juice or something. I'm hoping I'm not coming down with anything. I don't really feel like a cough or a flu or something is coming. I just feel like, I don't know, it's just a weird feeling. Bae was like, it's probably just, you know, maybe a bug or whatever. But when I tell you, it just happened like overnight. Not even really overnight, because I wasn't sick. And I was thinking like, okay, did I have a cocktail? And that's one other thing. I'm trying to stop drinking for 60 days, but I kind of failed on that because I had some cocktails for the last few days, but I didn't last night. So it's kind of weird that I'm having that, I don't want to say hungover feeling, almost like morning sickness. And I'm like, okay, I know I'm not pregnant, so that's not an option. Well, I don't know that 100%, but at any rate, I'm going to go ahead and get off and get myself together and get my day started here. So if you guys, again, haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell so you guys are aware when I post another video. And y'all just have a nice day. It's been pretty sunny in the ATL for the past couple of days, even though we had that little snowstorm. The weather's been kind of, even though it's cold and crisp, I kind of like this weather. If it's going to be winter, I kind of like this, where it's cold, but it's still sunny. It's not like dredgy cold where the weather's just extremely like gloomy and you're feeling like, oh my gosh, it's just, I just want to lay around and not, you know, do anything. So, but it's been pretty good so far. Yeah, I have to put something on my lip. This is probably going to be weird for me to put this color gloss on my lip, but I have to do something because I do not like my lip looking like this. It's not too bad. So, yeah, I'm very self-conscious about my lips. But, yeah, but everything has been going good so far this year. Everything, I'm so proud of myself with my budgeting, and that's going to be another video as well. But I'm excited about that because for years I've always had budget books, and I will start out maybe for 2 days budgeting, and then by the third day I'm like, where the hell is my budget book? By 2 weeks, from 2 weeks from that day, it's like, okay, not even budgeting, I'm just doing whatever. But y'all, when I tell you I've been on track with everything, because my goal is to make sure that I have a certain amount saved. We're in the process of trying to buy a house. We're investing. We have our companies that we're trying to invest in as well. Try to get those to where we want them to be in 2022. We've been kind of like stagnant the last couple of years with all of our businesses, our advertising business, our wholesale business. Everything has just been kind of like, eh. So right now, what we're trying to do is we're trying to revamp everything, rebrand, remarket, um, and get everything to where we need it to be. Even with my jewelry, I've been sitting on my jewelry for like months now. People have been asking about it, and I've been just so tied up in so many other things. And I will say, and be honest, it's been some laziness too, because it's like I have so much going on, so it's so easy for my mind to just revert to whatever um, that I'm focusing on at that moment. And then I'll pull up my laptop and I'm having these emails coming from different companies and that sort of thing, and it kind of reshift my focus again. So at this point, I think I'm just gonna go down my vision board, and everything that I have for that particular month or that particular week or that particular day that's on my vision board, I'm gonna go ahead and just boom 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 and knock it out. Now I may not fully finish every project before going to the next project, but the idea is to get them all refocused, rebranded, get the cycle going per se. Um, and also as far as like following my calendar, making sure everything on my calendar is exactly where I need it to be. I I'm on point for everything. Like literally, I'm on point for all my bills. I'm on point for the projects that I'm starting. I'm just so excited about it, and I'm so happy, and I'm so proud of myself. I'm giving myself a pat on the back. Now, one thing I am not happy about is this office. I have to get my office organized. I think next week what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go. Actually, I'm gonna do that today. Start today. I'm gonna get my organization shelves and everything that I need. So when we do move, it's gonna be like, okay, everything's already organized in a box. I just need to shift it from here to here. So that's gonna be another project that I'm gonna do, and also that's gonna be my spring cleaning. The end of this month is fastly approaching. Before you know it, March will be here. Um, I want to revamp everything, get everything organized and set up so that it is to my liking and everything is at my hand, the tips of my fingers, where I can just pull it out and just know where everything is, and just not have hair, wigs, hair, clothes that I'm selling there, jewelry that I'm selling. It's like everything's everywhere. So with that being said, I'm going to go ahead and get my day started, and I hope you guys have an awesome day. Again, if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I know my hair is looking a mess. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn your notification bells on so you will know when I do post another video. If you haven't told your friends about it, share with your friends and all that good stuff. Plan on having a lot of informative information about life coaching, about my businesses and all that stuff this new year. And a lot of good things coming, y'all. I started writing again, which I'm uber excited about, because it seemed like for months I had a writer's block. Like I just couldn't get that niche that I needed to get myself started back. But I have started doing that again, and I'm super excited about that. I'm working on some series. I'm working on my books. I know y'all like, how in the hell does she do all this stuff? It's only 24 hours a day, but I'm telling y'all, time management is a beast. If you set your mind to a certain specific goal, and you have a goal, because I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I can write a book in 2 weeks, and at first I didn't think it was possible, but it's definitely possible because I have done it. The only thing with that is the editing part, going back and actually editing what I wrote. That's been one of my downfalls. Like, it's one thing that I need to ramp up my skills on. But with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and get my day started, because again, it is only 24 hours in a day, and I do need to get started. And right now I'm just rambling on, but I will talk to you guys in the next video. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and always remember to be awesome and do awesome things. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye.